Hi everyone, Nate Coppock here from Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio. Today we're looking at a 2015 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara. Stock number 28055AT. This one is black in color. Seems the bumpers and everything seem to be in great condition. Got a light bar here in the front, LED, with a nice 8,500 pound winch behind it. Big nice heavy duty bumper made by Hammerhead. This does have a Rocky Ridge package on it, 3.5 inch lift. This has some 18 inch tires, 18 inch rims, sorry, with 35 inch tires. And they're pretty much brand new. Heavy duty step bars here on the side. Keep in mind, Jeeps have a 3-piece removable Freedom top. So if you just want to take these two front sections out, you could. Premium cloth seating. I really like the Saharas myself. They'd have the color match top and fenders. Touchscreen radio. It is Sirius satellite available. MP3. So any of your music needs can be taken care of. Jeeps are 4-wheel drive. Here's your climate area. Pretty standard there. It's got a hill descent. Lights for your light bar outside. Nice leather wrapped steering wheel here. It does have the options available for your phones, doing voice recognition, making phone calls, text messages, things of that nature. Cruise control. Also on the back we have volume control, and on the other side we have the preset control as well. It does have automatic windows and locks. Nice fitted rugged bridge floor mats, rubber floor mats. Those are nice, all weather. Take a look in the back seat here. Again, the nice fitted floor mats all the way across. We got the speakers up here in the cross member. These back seats, they do fold flat, so if you ever need any more room in the back there to haul stuff, you'd be good to go. Nice heavy duty bumper in the rear here. Spare matches. I like this swing arm that Rocky Ridge puts on here. Helps take the weight off of the factory hinges. So you're not wearing out your factory items as well. Nice cargo mat. Plenty of room back here if you wanted to haul some things. Great for camping. Pretty clean truck. I should say Jeep. And again, we're looking at a 2015 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara, stock number 28055AT. Stop out and see me. My name is Nate Coppock. You could also reach me at 937-778-0830. Also, make sure to visit our website at sherrychrysler.com.